Lakithi libala lihlala lihlobile, ngihlaba ngihlosile, emakhada ngiwalawula ngembawula. Ngingatsha leyabantu alijaha lengakashewule emva kwendumba inyanga lebese iphilela kuthimula. Kwathiwa qandana jaha emacatha nyamalala basabanga basale bamangala kuthi ngane sikake simbona hlephula. Ngihleke ngibe ngiqathula. Ngitshela indlela kuthi ayibe mnanzi ngakho-ke kulolonke lwami lihambo watange sengiwaswele mandi. Umathelo utibandi kuye kusite kukhumbula kuhlafuna emandulo eceleni kwemfula nekwati kuthi loko akusiyimbawo yekudvanata. La ngikhama emadvola yawukhathala mhlazana ngikhohlwa kusingabe kwaliphaqa tandla dagaqa imbongolo ngibathi aligogole nyamatane labadzala bayifanisa nelishongololo leti akusasito tinkondlo. Sethe ngikhuluma taboholoholo letisetshenzisela kucwaninga liciniso lesedlule tonke tibhobholo. Sengiye ngondla imiphefumulo lengayozi ibona ingadimulo. Ngalo lwakithi sikubona kungumusa kwelusa loyo losoholelwe impilo yakhe endlini yakhe ekugcina lekuphumula. Ngingakacubeki nekhuluma esiteki kungakhona leni yawuthola yakithi indzawo yekudzabuka sanibonani.
Critical, welcome to Tenta Nenkondlo siyajabula kuba nawe.
Hello, thank you. Glad to be here.
Who is critical? Because ngiyathi ukuthi awusi critical nje badala bakwethanga kanjani.
Do you really think that the name defines the person?
I want to believe so.
You want to believe so?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh. My name is Andiswa Thusi. A poet known as Critical, spelled with a K.
Okay.
Yes, I'm born and raised in Sitei.
Okay. Critical with a K.
Yeah.
Why? Because ngisenje nangiva ukuthi you are critical and I'm like, hey, kunebucayi lobukhona la.
I think it already makes you to be critical of it. So it's a play on the word, which also forces you to reconsider, terms and definitions, meanings and meaning. Critical with a K, you're already being critical of something now.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Lokusho ukuthi ngibheke ukuthi tinkondlo takho tinako lo kufaka ama situations lathe lokuba critical or critical wakho umdefine ngalenye indlela. Khamba kanjani?
Yeah, most definitely what you said. Tinkondlo tami titsenza tingoni letinye tato letingasiko as simple or letingachazwa in black and white terms, I walk the line in my gray areas. Yeah, because I feel life is defined mostly by those, than the extremities of black and white.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ufika nini ke ka poetry uqala kanjani?
The fondest memory of poetry I remember, I think I wrote one poem when I was in grade 6.
Okay.
Yes, I wouldn't write another poem, I think, until I was in Form 3. Lapho sengibhala because I had a friend, his name was Lunga Mbimbili, who wrote poetry, and when I read the exercise book on which he wrote his poems, and then as I said, I want to best him. So I went home and I wrote a poem, showed it to him. He really loved it. So it just went on from there, and the rest is, as they say, history.
Okay. Ushido wathi what discover ka grade 6, but ngibuka lo grade 6 to Form 3 yini le yakwenda ukuthi uyekele yonke leminyaka lena. Okay, fine ngisho ukuthi wabe sesoqala kuba nemona after ubone lo munye enda ipoetry wakhumbula ukuthi I am a poet, I can do poetry. But what caused you to uyekele
In between?
Yes.
Oh, I think ngaba ngilembangela yokuthi ngize ngibhala grade 6 because kuyibhala grade 6 it was an English assignment.
Oh.
Yes, it wasn't really good. I just fell in love with poetry out of the blue. It was an English assignment, so I just did the assignment and, pretty pleased with the mark I got, but I didn't think much of it beyond law until, of course, bese sengibona inkondlo lebhalwe properly by Lunga Mbimbili.
Okay. Okay, now we got Form 3 uyaqala yabhala poetry awukabe sisoyema from there.
No, from there then on bengiqhubeka nje, constantly writing.
All right. Sifisile ke kwathi sinembukelo ukuthi yini lena lebesiya kwenta ukuthi uchubeke wena poetry kuze kufike lelanga la namuhla.
Part of the reason I continued with it, I think it's because kunama subjects la taboo. By not talking about them, we're repressing certain experiences, and maybe the consequences of that may be dire in the long term. So I try to see my poems as an outlet for those experiences. Some could be traumatic, others could be personal. So I don't think personal experiences stop as long as kune band. So writing poetry, most likely, angitiboni ngiyekela anytime soon.
Okay.
Yes, as long as ikusena abantu.
Okay. Since uthi awudiboni uyekela anytime soon, kukhona yini lushintsho losoke walibona kubamfu lobahayela tinkondlo takho or bamfu lobabhalelako?
Yes, most definitely. Kunebantu lemva ukuthi bangive ngihaya, they started seeing poetry anew, and thinking, coming to poetry thinking ukuthi kuba inkondlo ngiloku namula ukhulume sengathi ufuna ukujula sonke isikhathi. Nase ba experience this different poetry, at least that I'd like to think I come with. They come away with a different point of view. They think, wow, this is so refreshing. And it's teasing, it's provocative, and it provokes thought. So, I mean, other people even began writing poetry after hearing me recite. Yeah, so I think, what more can one ask for than to inspire somebody to write? Ngilona lo aloba impilo yakho ngemakipiloshi. Imbangela emathuma akho kuvuvuka kanye netilonza ngingodi. Ngilelidloti lolibone na ucetha kubhajatiswa ngingubgovu. Mangifulathele ngidokuthela ngemafu lenta sifundi isikhalele ekhaya. Ngikufuna kimi kungako ngevane bakini kunekucabana ekhaya ngene endumbeni. Lapha ukalahleki kwemukelekile futhi usethubeni. Lekubona tithombe telikusasa lelinyanyekako ulimemetele kude banganakusho sibe bangatshelwa lena. Nathaladziweni lengicobele bonkhamisa ngavuvutela kuhlahlelo kanye netfananiso ngase ngiyagojotisa. Utawubuya itihlande nganange emanti laphume emacanzeni latalele ngumamlambo ngingodi. Ngumfana lo watalwa ngenamehlo mbumulo noma tindlebe kuphela nje kwakunemlomo. Nina wamakatiwa babekuthiwa bengasiyo umuntu abengilenye nje into. Bangithola eceleni kwelichibi lelimnyama kwaphela imizuzu lesikhombisa abamangala ngase ngiyaphangalala. Ngimlo wakhokha ingwe ngekunuka kwesidumbu sami esigangeni ngayinike amabala. Ngiyalinyatwa phindze kuyalinyalwa uma ngidlala. Ngilona lo waloba impilo yakho ngemakipiloshi. Imbangela emathuma akho kuvuvuka kanye netilonza ngingodi. Ngangifulathele ngidokuthela ngemafu lenta sifundi isikhalele ekhaya. Ngilelidloti lolibone na ucetha kubhajatiswa ngene endumbeni. Ngingubgovu.
So la esteki ngiyaye ngithi bosonkondlo esteki kuthi nya nawubuka kubangelwa yini lo ukuthi bosonkondlo bangabi baningi njengakubombabane bomanzini yini lesikhala sikuphi ifa kuphi ngala steki?
I think it's exposure primarily, and secondly the culture. Culture lastegi ihlukile kakhulu. I mean, even demographically, stegi is different from Babane. Socio-economically, it's also different. So the tastes are different. Bakhona lastegi banlabapalago. You know, not having poets does not necessarily mean that we don't have writers. We have a lot of them, but most of them are into music. Most of them are into rap, and I think most poets are lost who rap. And they never really come to the mother poetry.
Okay.
Yes.
Na singabasida ke Nkosi yami labangala rap kanti phela kumele bete ngala emndenini wethu ka poetry. Ungabasida kanjani wena waphunyula kanjani because ushito ekucaleni ukuthi you are a poet iphinze you do music as well. Yini ke lena le kwente wena wakhona kubona ukuthi you know what I can do poetry as much as ngihlabela.
Yes. I think kulkhuni lokho because I have naturally a love for words. I love bending words. I love painting with words. And there are certain stories that you cannot paint on a hip-hop beat, you know, that you only need a cappella. You only need to say them out or recite them. So other people do not gravitate towards that idea, that concept, but they feel they paint best if they have an instrumental, they have their lyrics and their rhymes. And so it's hard. But of course, Gendega I would see upon hearing, because I have a number of rappers, there's this kid known as Relic, but now he moved to Manzini. He used to be into rap, but then after hearing me recite poetry, read poetry to him, he started seeing, would say, oh, this is why you're that good at rapping. It's because you actually study words. Yes, so I think a careful study of words and then presenting that in an entertaining way could most likely draw more rappers into the poetry scene.
Okay, kulokuthanda kwakho ke idlala ngemagama awubesini so yayilahla le message ngalo munye sonkondlo uyaye uthi nawulalela uthi yo yathi ngimvile but angikamuva ngoba incenye inkondlo yakhe nami ngidofike ngichaze ngalenye indlela nalomunye wena wenda kanjani kuze ukuthi ungadi khanzi so lahlekelwa ngile message lofise ukuthi bamfu bayive.
Kudlala ngemagama is an aspect. It's a part of my poetry. It's not the poetry that I do.
Okay.
Yes. Take for instance, I do not necessarily like my punchlines. I know what's an effect on a crowd, on someone listening. You know, they wow the crowd, but I do not rely on a shock value or shock factor to get my message through. So I do it in moderation, but when I do it, you can tell that, oh, okay, he did that.
Okay. All right. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke ngiloko lokwenda uhluke kulabanye bosonkondlo or there is something else lekwenda ukuthi uhluke kulabanye bosonkondlo.
Definitely, there's a lot less lenda bosonkondlo bahluke. One of the things experiences shape our outlook. Experiences can also shape our personalities, and as a consequence of those experiences, the personalities will be different, hence the things we like. Tinvo lesitovangazi ukuthi effective. Kunemuntu lovangazi ukuthi yena uma ashaptela kukahle ukuthi awusheshe afike la yakhona. Kunemuntu lovangazi ukuthi nakasheshe wavuka ukuthi usheshe afike la yakhona. So these are two different people who are trying to meet the same objective but using different means. Ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ngenda ngihluke.
Okay.
Maybe ngenda ngifane na somebody else, Again, I have experienced other poets myself. The night finds your queen far from her castle, in a compromising position, giving away her opening, a wild one. She gambits pieces of herself, her chest bare, practices that puzzle. How does royalty pawn itself? Don't ask her. Compliments to the rookie with a little name, unsuitable sutra in the middle game. She utters mantras taught to her by a grandmaster in Tantra and moves in ways that elude the sanctity of bishops. In the black of night, the white's been spread. It can't be right, but the game was great. Check, check, you have no mate.
Ufise kufika kuphi ke as a poet, like your future plans, or poetry is just a thing for now takube siyayekela?
I'm hoping ukuthi I'll amass a following, a serious following that may lead to a poetry. Kuba nema one-man shows. Lamanengi, not just concentrated in Manzini or Mbabane or Hoho, but abe manengi nje. Ibe as popular as any other activity that young people and old people are aware of. Yeah, so I'm hoping more competitions, more slams, more one-man shows, more restaurants that allow poets to recite their work, more bars that have open mics. I think it'll be good, and maybe publishing a few books, but I don't think I have a lot of books in me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I will have a few at most, maybe 4, no more than that.
Okay, asithi-ke kulo 3, 4, maybe 5 khona abosonkondlo labathi nabakubuka bathi yathi siyafisa ukuthi aside ufisile yini ukuthi ubaside noma-ke nangabe abakhona ukufika kuwe yini lo ngayisho kibo especially naba bosonkondlo lokukhanza ukuthi bayabhala but bayesaba ukuthi bafunze bamfu babone ukuthi okay, I am a poet, ungcono takubhala nje abeke uthe ngalelinye ilanga lesingathi ukuthi leyofika nini.
I think someone who's like that would have to interrogate the very reason they write to begin with. Nalabanye who just prefer journaling their experiences. But if you want to call yourself a poet, I think you have to muster up the courage to face people. And if you want to present your work, if you feel your work needs to be heard, muster up the courage to face people, present it to them, and of course rehearse. Like you really need to rehearse so that you know your work from beginning to end. Then kancane, you could start off by reciting to a friend, and then maybe you could go to a group of friends. Nangabe ushayi kangako, you could start with your family, go to church, recite esonweni batakutsat kakhulu. Yes, and then from there on, once you gain the courage and momentum, bese sekuba lula, snowball effect.
Okay. Siyafisa ukukusupporta sifisile nekubona social media wakho akhula. Emaswati ke akuthola kanjani na kakuthini?
Well, I'm Agora Tusi on Facebook, and it's Tusi9 on Instagram. Yes. Then it's Andiswa Tusi, Unspoken Words on YouTube. Yes, then they can get me through those arenas.
Okay, it's in the social media sinenjani wasacting emcimbini yethu.
Well, if you do not have social media, I'm sure you have a friend or you have a kid who has social media, but you can contact me with my details at +268 7619 2766 or 7919 2766. Yes.
They call him Critical with a K. Ngethemba mbukela ukuthi dijabulele tinkhondla takhe Critical. Uthe yena Critical with a K. Ungabe seke wena so wenda Critical wabucayi. Nitawucabanga. Sitawushiya khona nimakethe ke mbukeli nasibuya sichibana nalo hlelo. Ongathi inyaka nami nje angenzangu ngave nginathi manje khona la bese sesiyachubeka nalo hlelo. Kuyinto engithokozisa nalengichaza nje ukuthi wena mbukeli udecide lo wathi cha mina ngidawuhlala phansi ngingathi inyaka ngangiyafuna kufunza la kaDandla nenkondla yathi masithi nasesibuya kusonkondla bese sesiyaya siyofunza umsebenzi weDandla sitawuconnect iphilisa sitawukhona nek appreciate le misebenzi le yendiwa ngiwo eMaswati. Hlala phansi ke mbukeli uve ukuthi liswati lelinye litiphilisa kanjani lisebenza kanjani ngathi uDandla Dala.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya. Lo sembikweni lamuhla nguSenzo Majuba ngwakamdluli ngihlala lizelutse ngingumdwebi ngiyadesigner ndiphinde futhi ngibe nesikhathi sokuthi ngihambe ukukhuluma nabantu abasha ngibe peer educator. Ukucala ukudweba kwamacala grade 1 I was inspired by Madam Malaza besibhala i-English test, so she drew a very beautiful tree. Ngaba nemona ukuthi how can a woman draw better than me? So ngaba ukuthi from after that test I started taking a pen ngithrow. I was not that good, but ngathrow from there. That inspired me ukuthi ngithrow. Ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ke lokudraw ngathi mangifika eSt John Bosco High School ngathola bothishela labe ba aligned ukuthi umfana makabone lithanda tsite mangamention ne WhatsApp sashona nje Madam Khambule. So waba one of the teachers lwang necharisha ukuthi lithanda angilibuke leli as much as ngeli TT ngikuthanza vele ukudraw. So kwaba info lengentako, even though ngibe ma cases esikolweni ukudraw bothishela wayebafundzisa and everything. One day bebafuna ukungibhanishela ukuthi ngidraw ethishela afundzisa, so beyangithethe uthishela, so ngaba like angry, ngaba like asengimdraw. So mangisamdraw athishela one of lengihlala nabo la celeni wabitha thishela ukuthi uba Senzo wendani la. So teacher wathi khanza ngimdrawile lapha wathatha lesithombe wayana e-office wangikhanza Madam Khambule sebafuna ukungishaya wasi no Dluli cannot be punished wendena kasumfana lo kangako olwenda ini. So they told her ukuthi ngidraw ethishela. Watibuta ukuthi is this licala yini leli ukunyongile yini, is it an insult? Wathi akusiyo ukuthi nje uyadraw ngiyafundzisa. Wathi yena angiboni ukuthi ngiyamshayela ukuthi wenda lithanda draw, but wangibitele ecene oba like during classes angadraw. Ngina more than 10 years in the industry of drawing. So kucala kwami ukudraw nokunaka kahle ukudraw bengatiboni ukuthi ngangibhadala, bengadikhanzi kuyinfo lengayenza. I was just thinking ukuthi ngaba one of the bantu batamcasha asebenzeni ngaphandle njenga everybody. So after school ngafail at izimali eBosco, ngathi ngathi singijida lo grand kanti ngihamba puzzle block. So I failed izimali make waba like no Majuba bile esikolweni ka form 4 ngoba like maki angifuni kusasa ama sengishonile usale ungasili uthola ngaphandle. uNkulunkulu amkhulu ke nengkhani yami ngadelay lokho kunaki ofuna indzawo, but bese ngithoyile eswazi ngoba eswazi, but ngabaleka vele ngaqhubana nokudrawa kwami ngingadrawela imali and ngingacala khona la khaya nje uthishela waseSwazi Mr Njangase wanginika amabhodi akhe from a friend Mdolo wathi ngibhalele the first time I drew something yangibhadala ngabhala amabhodi El Khatib and everything and benga expect imali la but wangibhadala uthisha like sure I can get money from this thing yebo but ngaqhubeka ngangabi umuntu ofuna imali through drawing because it is my passion. I love drawing. Saklasa draw drama. I have a friend ngala naye waqala ukudrawa emva kwami sabona ukuthi ngiyadrawa ngamiso mbethe sadrawa nemadrama hloba swazilendi andaba bemaziya sadrawa wona asibhadala imali how singakhona in so because the intelligence yami I think ngasiya esikole vele beye ukuthi maybe sebenzisa outside streetwise maybe I bought the first computer because kwafika umngani wavusi budwa ncamiso ba like yathi wena uyakhona ukucabanga into lengekho so kuna Photoshop kuna Corel Draw you can use good design ngaba like designer yini design ngikhombisa kwa like ema logos and everything bo Popeye ngaba like I love Popeye. I like to tell stories so waba like lo Photoshop angikwati ukusebenzisa no control ukusebenzisa so ngithi angikuphe because lento ngibona ngathi uyayazi so ngase ngithenga le computer ke then wangifakela installer konke kahle ngabuya ngena ka YouTube. The best teacher of me is YouTube. Ngena YouTube how to design, how to draw, how to do everything. Ngena lapho ngadraw Popeye. So I was lucky ukuthi one of the good years angikhumbula iminyaka ngisekude ngayo ngashayelwa baka Super Strikers from South Africa. They thought maybe ngasemzansi baba like no, we've seen your work, come and work with us. Ngaba like mina nginathi usinhlala kuphi usinba kuphi kanjani baba like no South Africa ngaba like ngangwane but ngathi kunedingathi amaphepha ukuthi umuntu afuna usebenza khona and everything baba like ngesikhona ukusebenza nawe team paper and everything so nami ngaba kwangabi loss kimi ukuthi ba Super Strikers angakhona ukusebenza nabo but ngibone sengihamba ukuthi yathi mhlambe ngangisomething lokuningi lebengiwenda bengudraw ngufaka Facebook. Kazi ngidrawang story tabo HIV ngidrawang story te youth ukuthi youth iphila kanjani everything ngiposta la Facebook and everything and I would like them pages la khona I was Super Strikers and all my pages alabanye from the US because I've got even friends from the US. One of them nje ngulo babe Aaron Plays, Mr Aaron Plays labaka Lion King, so he's the one who told me to buy this gadget from but bekude kangwane le gadget le. It's a Wacom. Nase South Africa kude kahle ikhona but incane it was a second hand. So for the past 5 years I've been trying to buy this gadget idulile. So ngangulungulu ngiyakholwa. I draw ngiyakhona with animation, ngiyakhona ukudraw abantu, ngiyakhona ukudesign, ngiyakhona ukwenza everything. So I'm still studying to draw on glass because it's a seal paper then, cell glass, ngiyashelela and everything. So I practice every day because I want to get into the digital world because sesibaningi ngalaga fine art and everything. Yes, I want to be unique. Bas bafika bonke ngibe the one to tell them what to do. Just like I do now, like go fine art and about designing and everything. Good drawer, ngikhanze ngiba the first like ngidesign hambe nje ngidesign because the PA educator starts from drawing. Yes, I draw lama scenarios, taking the messages from the organizations and coming to kill the myth ngalama drawings la ka social media. Kuningi lengikwendile kudraw abantu labadzala sometimes ngisaba because kunemithetho lembanzile kufuna ngilandzele mina ngingadi ukuthi nanga ngeke ngadraw nje babe wethu Major V ngathi khanza ngithole ama threats la kwaqweni la eTown hey udraw babe wena draw babe ngoba like angizami ngomnyonga Nkosi yami ngimdraw nje ukuthi ngihambisa le message yakhe ngichazile yabo akusiko ukuthi babe ngiyamnyonga and everything so kudraw abantu noma celebs ngiyakwenda ngisaba but ngisaba ukuthi maybe ma grounds angathi ngibe wa breaker osengenda ini sebani ngafundisile laba sibaphila ngako lamuhla so umuntu usamfundisa ngendeka athi umfana me draw and everything so like yathi make wonke umfana makasakhulu ya draw but is it kuyi passion yakhe lo mfana into le and again sicela umfana afunde isikole state anganaki ukudraw wabona ethi namhla ukuthi namhla siyakhona kupenda siyakhona kwenda ini sicela afunde akuze lo mfana because isikole sifake wisdom. Yes, ngaphandle kwe-education nathi la sikhona khona mhlambe ngasikho sikhona khona education plus talent isibekela sikhona khona la muthi so umuntu samfundisa ku draw and everything but mangabe yakuthanda ukudraw and kuyinto lafuna kuyenda. And again ngicabanga emathalenta sikhuliswe ukuthi ungayibeki imali embili itatitela. Mina baba bekanestase ukuthi athi bathi kuthiwa chase your dreams, yabona ukuthi babeke no, don't chase your dreams, work towards them, because more chase something, how can something le yakho ekubalekela? Because chasing shothi kuyabaleka lokho. Besingakabhadalisi ke mhlambe mase sibona ukuthi hayi emadolo sayacika sakhona ukuphuma lesingakhona kubezulu ema class ukuthi sibe sinake bona vele straight. Focus lokuthi ngithi focus icukuthi i-bag lefukuthi lokuningi kakhulu, because le focus lengikhuluma ngayo mina iphethe nalokuthi le mvo lo yendaba uyayithanza yini. As much as umflo omusha lokukhona omncane lomdzala afise ukudraw ngoba ukudraw ku age kufuna uhambana ukuthi akuthanza yini nekuthi ufisile ukubona kwenda in lokudraw kwakho, what are you bringing, what do you want to tell us about you, because ngile uniqueness thina nje nancamiso lo ngisebenza naye si unique. I draw something out of the blue, afike na paint akulethe to life. Lokunye lengakusho emphini lomusha lofuna ku draw and everything, please take the prices down to where people can afford, please. Lokho ukuthi bo Mona Lisa babo 1 million akusikangwane la.
Mbukela ihlelo Tandla Ngikhondla, ngiyethemba ukuthi kuningi lokufundzile ehlelweni namuhla. Wangagcini ke ngekufundza kuphela, kwaba khona lo tamako nawo phela kuwenda eceleni. Ngiyathi ukuthi wena uyatimisela mani, wena futhi ufisile ukulisupporta nalelinye liswati lo makhelwane wakho lohlala umbona busy lapha. Ungagcini nje kumbukela kuphela, amsupport. Ungathi nje libonza lakho wena liplain, wena nje vele lo ngene emakhata wena uthenga igcoko sami wena lapho ngeke ngisho khona. Hayi ungayendile mfowethu. Sitabonana ke mbukele evikini lelitawo ngaso isikhathi esifanako. Goodbye and God bless.